I, Charles General Muteni, being a returning officer for Bukedea Electoral District, pursuant Section 31, subsection A(1)(b) of the Parliamentary Elections Act, Cap 177, having nominated only one candidate among Anitah of NRM political party, I declare the said elected and opposed candidate for Bukedea District, woman representative to Parliament, as duly elected and opposed.
Thank my chairman of the NRM party, that is His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for all the support that he has given me for me to be unopposed today. Thank you. And because he made me a speaker, I am able to develop Bukedea, I am able to do all this. I want to thank His Excellency the President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. And I also want to thank our Secretariat, Dr. Tango Doi. Thank you for being here with us, and thank you for all the support. And in a special way, I want to thank my voters. My very gallant voters of Bukedea, thank you for the love that you've showed me, and thank you for the trust that you've given me for additional 5 years. I can assure you I will never disappoint you. I will move with you, and I am going to be the Speaker of the 12th Parliament. And my deputy will be Honorable Thomas Taiwa in the 12th Parliament. And I want to thank the people of Bukedea for trusting me once again. And I know you will continue trusting and trusting and trusting in me. But I can assure you, I will never disappoint you, the people of Bukedea. Home is home. And I will not disappoint NRM because it has made me who I am. I can never disappoint my team here. My team is a very good team. You see them like this. And may the God bless the people of Bukedea, bless you, God.